morning, guys. Today we're going to show you how to hook up a junky old Tech 2 MRC transformer, or any transformer that has variable DC and an AC output, an accessory output on the back of it, to your Kato sound box. I know that there's videos out there about this, but they don't really show you the back and how the thing is connected. We're going to do it today with, it also takes one of these 24 843s, which is nothing more than your power pack connector. Just the spades connect to your power pack and has a plug on it. It is also going to take a 24 842 DC converter. And I'm going to show you how to connect these all up and make this sound box work with any transformer that you have that has the DC, variable DC and an AC output. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start by removing our 24 843, which is basically your power pack connector that you would normally use to get to your Kato track. This goes on to your power pack, and then you have a plug that would plug into your feeder cable or your unijoiner that would go to your Kato Unitrack. So we're just going to hook these to the power pack, and I hope this doesn't get too boring. And it doesn't matter, polarity is not important at this point, or at any point actually, because the only place it'll matter is when you go from the sound box to the track. But I'm just going to hook this up to the back of the MRC pack. And also you'll notice here, I don't know if you could see it in the camera earlier, but this is you want to connect it to the variable DC side, because that's actually what you're connecting when you hook up your Kato pack to the side of your sound box. Okay, so we've got this connected to, we've got our plug here connected to the back of the MRC unit. Now let's move over to the sound box. Okay guys, this is the adapter cord. It's a 24 843, which I showed you at the beginning. We have it tied to the back right here of our power pack, which I may have already showed you. Now we're going to take our jumper cord, our jumper cable that comes with the sound box, and I'm not going to undo it. I'm just going to plug it into the sound box here, which gives me a male cord here. And the other end of this one is a female. We're going to just plug those together. Now what we've done is we've attached the track power coming out of our MRC box into the track power, input track power of our sound box. That gets our variable DC into our sound box for the sound. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around and show you how to hook up our 24 842 DC converter, which is actually what we're going to use off of our AC terminals on the back of our power pack to get to the to give power to the sound box. So let's get on to that. Okay guys, here I have attached our 24 842 DC converter. You guys are familiar with these. Just got the little plugs on the back of it, just like on the side of the Kato power pack. We hooked that to the accessory side of the accessory ports on our Tech 2 transformer. It could be any transformer as long as you go to the accessory side, which is AC power. It doesn't matter. Now I'm going to turn this around real quick. Okay, we're going to go over this one more time so you guys have it clear, and I have it clear. This is connected to our DC, variable DC output of our Tech 2, and it goes over to our jump cable and into our green connector, which takes the DC signal from the Tech 2 into the sound box, synchronizes it, sends it out and to the track for track power. Okay, so basically in and out of the sound box to the track. Then to power our sound box, we need the DC converter, which is attached to the accessory side of the Tech 2, and then plugs right onto the side of the sound box. That supplies the power for the sound box. So now we're going to turn this thing on. I'm going to move this over a little bit, and we're going to try and get that locomotive back there to see if it can move down the track. I only have a short piece of track here, and I've tried to sync it up. You can sync it up, power versus sound, with the sync knob right here. But let's see if we can get it to go. We can now hear the locomotive motor firing up. And now if I throttle this up a little bit, we should get our locomotive to move. And you could hear it throttle up. You can see the locomotive move forward. I throttled down. You saw the locomotive roll to a stop. Let's see if we can do it in reverse. Well, in my impression, it's pretty impressive. Anyway, I'm hoping that seeing the back of this has helped you guys. I know a lot of videos are out there and tell you how to do it, but I don't think anybody shows the exact location of the wires. And this wiring on this Tech 2 would apply to any transformer. I mean, a Bachmann, anybody's transformer that has regular variable DC and an accessory terminal. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this has been a help. Well, guys, I hope that helped you out and gave you some confidence that you can use your own power pack with the sound box, the Kato sound box, and that's as easy as it is. And I hope to see you on the next video. And this is Mike Pfeiffer with Pfeiffer Hobby Supply. We'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.